The Dunbar Learning Complex has so many wonderful partners, and as a member of the education team at the Atlanta Civic site of the Annie Casey Foundation, part of our role is to help manage and coordinate some of those partnerships. We have partners that come into the school that do all sorts of things, whether it's literacy, health activities, social and emotional support. We have partners meetings 4 times a year so that all the different partners that come to the ELLRC and Dunbar Elementary are able to come together and meet with one another so they can learn what the others are doing. It's so important because a lot of them have no idea that the other organizations are even coming into the school. So now we have one larger strategy that all of the partners understand our goal, that children in the ELLRC are being prepared for school, and here that they're being prepared to read at grade level by 3rd grade. So since all the partners meet frequently and understand that that's our overall mission, they're able to align their work to that mission as well.
We actually have a person that manages the partners. She sits down with them and say, well, what is it you're offering? Here's what we need. How can you impact this area of need? So it's very strategic, very focused, and so when they come in, they know automatically where they're going to be working because the partnership manager has already shared, here's what Dunbar needs, here's what ELLRC needs. How can you come in and kind of help with those? So it is very strategic.
Our partnership with the Dunbar Learning Complex is a critical partnership, and when we're talking about sustaining and return on investment to make sure that children enter school ready to learn and are ready to be successful not only in school but work and in life.
All of our partner organizations are really here to serve the children and families that we work with here at the Dunbar Learning Complex. They're really here for this community. A lot of them are not just education focused, they're more parent focused or they're community focused, and so it's really wonderful to see all of them sharing their knowledge with one another and really coming together to make sure that this is a better place for kids and families.
When we find partners who are also using research-based evidence practice that we know are going to have that are sustainable and not only work for children but their families. We know children don't grow up in programs, they grow up in families and communities. And this is a model that is perfect example of collaboration between a school and a service provider as well as strategic partners whose work has come to align to make that impact on children, their families, the community, so that we're all working together so that children enter school, stay in school, and are successful members and contributing members in the community. It's a workforce, it's an economic example of how we work together to improve the economy, the workforce development, not only for our community, but for the state of Georgia. So I would encourage investors who really want to make a difference, who want to invest early and stay the course. This is a model that can be used not only in this community that's working, but other communities in Atlanta, the state, and across the nation.